have the desire of looking yourself in duplicates, creating a clone of yourself? This is how we do it. We can create multiples of ourselves and see them in action. There's a simple method to do this. You can do it as a still image using Photoshop, or if you want to do a video of your multiples or duplicates, that is also possible. Like it's a kind of double role. It's kind of a double role playing. Okay. Hi friends. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how do I make my own clones. Right. You have been watching these days that I randomly make my own clones in several videos. You have seen it in my Tajpur video, you have seen it in my New Year video, okay, and a lot. It's kind of experiment, like making your own clone makes you feel as if you are having your own companion. Okay, it's a kind of fun. Okay, so in this video I'm going to hello friends. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how do I make my own clones, or you too can make your own clones, right? Okay, so let me begin. Okay, let me speak. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step the process in which I make my own clones using Adobe Premiere. Okay, so keep watching the video and I hope it will come to your use someday. Maybe if you want to create your own clones too, maybe this video will be of some help to you. Okay, keep watching the video till the end. And so that's the problem of having a clone around. You'll never let you talk properly. Will never let you talk comfortably. So here I am. Without wasting any further time, let's get started with the tutorial of how to make clones, how to make your own clones using Adobe Premiere. Okay, so let's go. So friends, let me get started with showing you how I make my clone videos. First of all, let me open Adobe Premiere Pro, the software that I use for editing my videos. Okay, now importing the concerned file, dragging the file on Premiere Pro's timeline, and before anything else, applying color correction to it. As because this is a single footage, applying color correction settings just once will work for the whole movie. Here I come, see it. Okay, let me now fast forward it. Okay, so this is how it goes. This is how it goes. It's one single file. Okay, it's one single footage in which 3 of me were shot. Next thing is adjusting the video clip to where I appear in the first scene and contracting the clip till I get up from my first sitting position. Next, duplicating the clip and bringing it to the upper layer where in the same manner I adjust the clip length of my second sitting position from beginning to end. Again, I duplicate this clip, bringing it on top of the second layer and adjust the clip length of my third sitting position from start to end. Now I apply crop to all the clips in all 3 layers, although the bottom layer is not essential to be cropped. So on the top layer, I do the crop from its right side. Okay, so here I crop it.
Now you see, as I crop the right side of the top layer, it reveals the clip underneath this clip. Similarly, I crop the right side of the second layer, which in turn reveals the bottom layer. Well, now you can see all three clips showing my three different sitting positions at a time. Here we go now. We can take a look of how it works by dragging the playhead forward and backward. What's needed now is a lot of adjustments and fine-tuning for each clip on each layer. We should observe each clip position frame by frame in order to ensure there's no overlapping of movements between the clips. Also, we should carefully observe whether there's any difference in brightness, contrast, color balance, etc. If found, we must immediately fix it. Remember, finer the adjustments in all parameters, the better and seamless will be the output. Because cloning should be done in a manner so that the common human eye cannot differentiate the three video clips. Once all the fine adjustments are done, it's time to render the file. I render my files in 1080p Full HD format always. So let's do the rendering now. Well, rendering's over. Let's now take a look at the final output. Here it is. Take a look at my trio now. Haha. Well, three of me, myself, split into three. It's no magic. So that's how I create my clones. A very simple process with minimum complications. So guys, hope I'm able to help you clarifying how a video clone of oneself can be done. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button if you think it may come to any of your use. And please do consider subscribing to my channel to make it grow. Stay well everybody, stay at home, stay safe.